Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start the class, uh, I'm sorry for advance because today I can't join you in Zoom meeting because today we have some project or some program, especially it's a vaccine program, and it start at 7 a.m. Today. So I just make the video for you for the assistancy or introduction for a practicum natural product chemistry and drug discovery. For question, you can ask to my assistant or you can ask me at the WhatsApp chat, or if you want to chat me on classroom, it's okay. But welcome to my class at Practicum Natural Product Chemistry and Drug Discovery. You are ready at semester 5, and I hope you are in the good time and the good condition today. And I'm so sorry because this practicum cannot chosen by chosen to try to offline method. So in this semester, this practicum just do with online class or online practicum. Okay, but it's okay. It's I can me and our team can give you everything and give you the best of our we do the best for you, okay, for this practical. Okay, uh, let's before we start again, let's start with pray together, shall we? Selesai? Finish? Oke, mungkin saya akan menyampaikan dalam dua bahasa, kadang-kadang bahasa Indonesia, kadang-kadang bahasa Inggris, untuk menekankan beberapa hal yang mungkin menjadi penting ya di dalam proses perkuliahan, oke, praktikum. Oke, saya akan share screen terlebih dahulu. So in this practicum, you can have a lot of activity, but I think it's not hard, or it is not make you feel bad or feel it is a hard practicum. I think yeah, it's easy. It's easy. Ya, mungkin memang akan banyak hal yang akan kalian lakukan. Okay, we start first with natural product and chemistry. This is a practical. We just do no face to face, ya, no face to face, just TDM, tetap muka daring. Okay, it's like on Zoom. And then ASM is asynchron mandiri, self condition asynchron online activity, and asynchron collaborative. So maybe a lot of activity with asynchron collaborative. Okay, so we going to we start with the RPS, rancangan pembelajaran. Yeah, we start with RPS. We have 4 CPL or capaian pembelajaran. We have 4 CPL. First, you can design, carry out the scientific research, and then about attitude and working with your team, and then graduate able apply standard analytical method, quality assurance, and halal drugs cosmetic, and graduate be able to apply concept of occupational health and safety in carrying out pharmaceutical work. So we have 5 CPMK, capaian pembelajaran. Oke. Oke, yang pertama, the first is you can use student ability to apply isolation technique and identification of compound from natural product or natural material atau natural product. CPMK 2, we have student are able to analyze qualitative and quantitative the result of isolation of compound from natural product. But yeah, we can we just have a qualitative result in this practicum. But if we on the offline practicum, we also have a quantitative result. Okay, so and then students are able to analyze the quality of isolate and halalness of raw material. Then student can carry out a practicum in accordance with occupation health and health safety. It's like K3 ya, kesehatan dan keselamatan, kesehatan keselamatan kerja ya. And then the last is it is just like responsibility about the process learning. So this is the program or detailed program. You like today in session 1, we just brainstorming. Okay, we just brainstorm and socialize of learning method. Okay, and then I will give you all of about a practicum from today and the end of the semester. And for the next week, you can see in this second meeting, we have activity pretest assessment. Okay, you can you join on Zoom and do pretest. Okay, doing pretest just 50 minutes, 50 minutes. And after that, if your pretest is not more than 60, yeah, you can not remedial, but you must be discuss with my assistant what topic you can you don't know about the topic. So I hope you are totally sure about this practicum. Okay, if you have more than 60, you can out from Zoom. So you doing the activity 2, flip classroom. You learn and understand the practical video. It's like 45 minutes to 1 hour. So after that, you come to Zoom again. You join to Zoom again. Maybe if like we start at 8 a.m. jam 8 pagi kita mulai. So you can pretest 15 minute pretest and then keluar dari Zoom dulu untuk menonton video selama 45 sampai 60 menit sambil mempelajari. Jadi nanti ada pertanyaan. I will give you some question for discuss on activity 3. Okay. I will give you question to discuss to activity 3. The question give you 1 week before practicum. So you must be prepared. You must be prepared the reference. You must be prepared the answer of the question. Okay, because if you are already prepared, you can easy join to discussion. Okay. The discussion maybe like around 1 hour or one half hour, 1 to a half hour, and then finish today. Finish the day for practicum. For the third meeting, we don't do pretest again because this is same topic, pinostrobin. So the pretest just on the first meeting on pinostrobin topic. You join the classroom or you join the Zoom at 9 a.m. or if you are, you join at 8 a.m. Yeah, you join and then discuss about the question, ya, question about discussion. So, jadi teman-teman nanti bisa masuk begitu ya, kemudian nanti mendiskusikan. Jadi saya akan memberikan pertanyaan yang akan teman-teman diskusikan. Nah, teman-teman nanti akan mencari terlebih dahulu referensinya, jawabannya, begitu ya, untuk nanti didiskusikan di dalam proses perkuliahan atau proses diskusi praktikum. Oke, so the next meeting for meeting, this is asynchron kolaboratif ya. Jadi asinkron kolaboratif. In my experience, asynchron collaborative before the last year, it's not jadi nggak berjalan dengan baik, not better running, ya. So in this semester, I hope after third meeting, you just do the fourth meeting. Jadi kalau pertemuan ketiga nanti selesai jam 10 misalnya, nanti langsung lanjut ke pertemuan keempat ya, yang teman-teman lakukan sampai jam 12 ya. So jadi kita nanti langsung saja mendapatkan ini ya, mendapatkan hasil gitu ya. Jadi pertemuan keempat ini activity-nya, student are looking for discussion material of result TLC densitometry analysis and identification which reagent and discuss in internal in group. Okay, you can search about the TLC densitometry, analyze pinostrobin or analyze flavonoid. Okay, analyze flavonoid. It's okay if you analyze flavonoid, yeah, because pinostrobin is flavonoid. Okay. And then about the spray reagent, ALCL3, ALCL3, FHL3, how about the spray reagent? And then after that, the student present the result of discussion article, inform the video that upload assessed by supervisor and assist give a feedback. Yeah. But jadi nanti di setelah itu teman-teman membuat presentasi ya, presentasi kemudian bikin video presentasi. Tapi presentasinya itu bukan hanya tentang TLC aja ya, tapi tentang dari awal ya, tentang pertanyaan-pertanyaan, kemudian tentang pinostrobinnya gitu ya. Sehingga nanti apa yang teman-teman presentasikan itu lengkap ya. You have a complete presentation and at this day. Okay? So, and the 5 meeting, we are on assessment, yeah, assessment about pinostrobin, okay, assessment with about pinostrobin, and then and meet the 6th meeting, it's like first meeting on pinostrobin, we start with pretest, ya, kita mulai dari pretest dulu, setelah pretest, kemudian kalau nilainya udah lebih dari 60, maka bisa langsung keluar dari Zoom. Kalau kurang dari 60 nanti diajak diskusi sama asisten hingga bagian mana yang tidak paham, begitu ya. Oh, okay. So, and then activity 2, learn and understand the practicum video extraction and isolation process. Ya, it's like seems like before. Okay. Then on 7 meeting, it's asynchron collaborative. So after 6 meeting, I arrange 6 meeting, maybe finish at 10. Okay, so your 6 meeting, after 6 meeting, yeah, you are maybe around 10 a.m. You start again to 7 meeting. Okay, it's like seems like at the third meeting and fourth meeting. Okay, so after that, again you must make a presentation and video presentation. Okay, and then jadi harus bikin video presentasi dan diskusinya harus dengan asisten, tidak boleh cuma di kelompok sendiri. Okay, then at that meeting it's assessment for piperin, and then 9 meeting we essential oil insulation, isolasi essential oil. Again we start with pretest, and then after that you are going out from Zoom and learning about video, and then discuss about question. After that, on asynchron collaborative, you are discuss about GCMS, and then you make some video. Okay, and on 7 meeting, 11 meeting, you just assessment about essential oil. Okay, and then review and evaluation. And 12, the activity just watching the video or listening the podcast about quality isolat or halal product. And then 13 meeting, you just listen or watching the video or audio about drug discovery technique podcast. And then the last on the review. Okay. So this is the RPS. We back again to the file. This is the all of our. This is the module. Okay, on module already have a question for question. Okay. Selain itu, saya juga akan menyediakan ini ya. Jadi for the first week, ya, this is a trigger question. You can look the first question. What is the difference between maceration and sonification? Sonification, extraction method. So you must be short about the maceration, about the sonification, extraction, and then in discussion, you can say, okay, I have an opinion about maceration. Yeah, okay, about maceration. When I read on, it's like maybe Pharmacopoeia Herbal Indonesia, I read maceration is blah 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 blah. Sonication is blah 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 blah. Okay, so you must say where you read, what your reference on discussion. Okay, because you can have kalau mau dapat nilai harus lakukan itu, ya. Okay, and then question 2, can ethyl acetate solvent be used in pinostrobin extraction? Okay, you must be search the how the ethyl acetate solvent for extraction pinostrobin. It's be done or not. Okay, explain, and then explain and describe of the fractionation method with VLC. Yeah, this is a 4 question. So for the assessment guide, ya, you can read this assessment guide. Ya, nanti akan saya share dalam bentuk bahasa Inggris dan bahasa Indonesia, ya. Okay, in this guide for pinostrobin module, yeah, for the first is pretest. Pretest is my person in charge is lecture, it's me, and then discussion about extraction and fractionation. This is the rubric. Okay, it's like how about your third, it's okay or kerapi enggak gitu ya, apalagi pagi-pagi ya, udah bangun tidur belum, sudah mandi apa, kerapiannya bagaimana, and then sopan santunnya, manners ya, including on cam ya. Jadi kalau misalnya 0 sampai 20 ini ya sudah rapi, sudah ini manners ya, atau sudah sopan santun, tapi karena ada masalah sinyal ya kameranya harus mati misalnya. Ya nggak apa-apa, nanti nilainya you can reach the number maybe 15 ya. Because ya jadi saya ingin menghargai juga yang ada usaha untuk open kamera ya. Then the number 2, readiness to take part in discussion ya. Jadi sudah prepare reference-nya, materialnya ya. Kalau apalagi kalau material preference-nya bahasa Inggris itu jauh lebih bagus juga gitu ya. Itu yang saya katakan tadi ya, bahwa saat discussion you must mention about your reference. I read the result about pinostrobin on about the isolation pinostrobin, yeah, published on journal, what journal, I don't know, some like journal. And then you say pinostrobin is something like that. And then the last is active in discussion, yeah. Yeah, you can have 0.0 to 14, yeah. Okay, so our point is 100. Okay, it seems a discussion about isolation, okay, and then densitometry TLC. Okay, so in the report is like laporan, but this report is not like you must write about introduction, about jadi nggak nulis lagi pendahuluan, tujuan, rumusan, tidak ya. But to the point, to answer our discussion of question. So in this part, you must answer this question and answer this question, okay, with your language, okay. Jadi dengan bahasa sendiri, ya jangan mencontek, okay. Jadi answer all discussion question using all your own language. If for cheating, it will be given a value of 0. Okay, don't cheating. And then include at least 3 appropriate reference. Where the reference come? Yeah, from the discussion. Yeah, you use the reference for discussion for answer the question. Oke, jadi nanti harus punya referensi ya. Jadi bukan laporan seperti itu. Jadi laporannya hanya menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan. Nah, dalam hal ini pinostrobin itu ada 8 pertanyaan karena ada 2 pertemuan diskusi. Oke. So, in this part will be jadi nomor 5 ini ya, itu berhubungan dengan nomor 3 dan nomor 2. Nah, then for reference article number 6, ini reference artikel tentang TLC densitometry. Okay, upload at least 1 reference article for TLC densitometry. Just upload. Okay, this is just upload. You search the reference and upload to Classroom. Just upload, you can have 100. Okay. And doing article review, ya, review artikel ya, bukan seperti review artikel yang sulit begitu ya. You just read the article, this article, and explain again with your own language. It's like how about the introduction? So, jadi dalam penelitian ini apa sih maksudnya? Ya, jangan nggak usah panjang-panjang, ya. Secukupnya saja. Bagaimana sih metodenya? Hasilnya seperti apa dan kesimpulannya seperti apa? Then point 8, presentation. Okay, presentation ya just 5 to 10 minutes ya, not more than 10 minutes. How about the presentation talk about number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. and 7. Okay, so it is discussion the entire practical material number 2 to 7 and make a good presentation. And this is a post test, so you can read, bisa baca sendiri ya tentang ini. Nanti ada preparing ya, apa saja nilainya ya, itu nanti bisa dibaca sendiri. Kalau ada pertanyaan bisa tanyakan ke asisten ataupun saya. Ini juga untuk essential oil. Oke, ini adalah modul praktikumnya ya. This is the module. The question already have at module. This is question of discussion. Okay, like when you see the Pinostrobin have 8 question, 4 question in week 1 and week 2 in 4 question. Jadi minggu pertama, pertemuan pertama 4 pertanyaan, minggu kedua selanjutnya ada 4 pertanyaan. Then this is the question for essential oil. Yeah, you can looking the question here. So again, ya, jadi saya ingin teman-teman mempersiapkan diri ya. Jadi pada saat diskusi itu tidak ada lagi yang mencari referensi ya. Mencari referensi itu sebelum hari H praktikum. Okay, remember, one SKS, one credit praktikum, not just 3 or 4 hours. Yeah, maybe in this praktikum you doing at Zoom maybe just 2 hours. Ya, so jadi di luar praktikum kalian juga harus mencari referensi, itu bagian dari praktikum. Oke, jadi bagi saya ini tidak terlalu berat ya, dan semua dilakukan di saat praktikum gitu ya. Dan saya rasa sudah waktunya juga teman-teman belajar mencari referensi yang baik, and then explain the reference, and then I think this is the time for you for doing well. Okay, so kalau misalnya ada pertanyaan boleh WhatsApp saya, apapun itu silahkan ya. And then this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Hopefully we are meeting on Zoom to the next week, but yeah, again I feel bad and I'm so sorry about today. I'm not join a new Zoom meeting. Yeah, because the situation, I have a lot of program and vaccination. Saya nggak bisa meninggalkan kegiatan vaksinasi hari ini. Ya, jadi harus saya datang begitu ya, seperti itu. Okay, thank you for your attention. Please keep healthy, and I hopefully we will meet soon. Okay, we will meet soon on the offline practicum or some lecture. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.